Katie and Spence from Best Life and Beyond, and probably bumping into David from Fresh Baked. So check out their channels, Best Life and Beyond and Fresh Baked on YouTube. Downtown Disney, gonna be heading down to Disneyland in front of the gates because it's 65th birthday today. I'm gonna be going into the Simba lot, but I gotta come down here and make a U-turn. Look at all these people. .45. I don't even know what time it is. I think it is 9:45. They're just gonna let me in. Just drive up, nothing will open. And we're off. So all the people trying to get in at the moment. This is the least you'll ever see cars down and through here. Watch. Check it out. I'm gonna turn this off so I can park.
Disneyland was supposed to open today.
See if one of the VIPs I know down here, see if he's working today. He should be.
Did you hear that old man? Have a good day, everyone.
Thanks.
You too. How could we not? It's Disneyland.
Oh yeah. Happy 65th.
Stay hydrated. It's going to be a warm day later.
Yep.
Have a great day today, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Are you telling them happy birthday?
Yeah, they're part of
I like
Disneyland,
it.
right?
I like it. Hi. Welcome.
3.
You're all specialized every time. Hi guys. You're good to go. Have a good night, okay? Awesome. Have a great day.
Thanks.
Hi, welcome.
We're back on the 65th anniversary. Right here at downtown Disney. Hanging out with Katie and Spence. What up?
Hey man, J-Man. Happy birthday, Disneyland.
Oh yeah.
It's a big day for us.
Here.
I hope there's something going on at the front gates.
Hopefully.
If not, we're gonna make it happen.
That's right.
Exactly.
Let's jump the fence. Let's jump the fence. 9:48 here in the morning time. Downtown Disney. Disneyland's 65th anniversary. Walking to the esplanade to go check out the main gates. Alright, so everything actually opens at 10. So it's getting there. People are getting things set up. Set up for business for the day. Morning. That's cast members only. Goes to the Grand Californian. Sanitizing. So you do sanitizing around here. The first people in line for the World of Disney. It's a big long line for people to get in on the 65th anniversary. Maybe they can all be buying some merch. 65th anniversary merch. Man, it is hot out here for some reason. Got cloud cover. Got the sun busting through the clouds. Checking out the esplanade over here. See what's going on over by the main gates. Looks like they got it roped off further than they usually do. It's David from Fresh Baked getting his shot.
Yeah. Stuff there with the bumblebee outfit.
I feel like I always thought they represent seasons. They're not. I don't
There's
know.
fireworks over there.
Fireworks, yeah.
Why would we have fireworks with the Mickey facing Disneyland?
Because that's Fantasyland.
What does this music remind you of right now? What's about to happen in the Soarin' attraction?
Tinkerbell and all that, yeah.
Fireworks over Disneyland.
Yeah.
So think of 2001 California Adventure.
Yes. Oh my gosh. That's
You see?
totally.
Sun, ocean,
Yeah.
Garden District. If you see all the lampposts at downtown Disney, they're green with leaves.
That's Harbor Boulevard?
Yeah, so this one, I've had trouble guessing though, so this is not the
It's Harbor
official
Boulevard.
answers. My guess is traffic.
Yeah.
The lines, traffic. But
Or you could say just America, because this is the American park. The first American park. That's
Right.
all I got. I really have
But
nothing else.
direction-wise, I think the traffic thing is pretty...
That makes the most sense.
Harbor.
I wasn't joking.
we're still trying to figure it out. We've been like walking and it's like, you know what? Obvious.
Right.
You know, it's like a game assignment.
Yeah.
Either between 2 or 4 o'clock.
It was mid-afternoon. It was the heat. It was at its peak at that point.
Okay.
So it was like, yeah, between 2 and 3. You can actually see on the clock.
Alright, she has something to do with this star right here, 105. Alright.
So, on a lighter note, before I start tearing up, oh my gosh.
That's hers right there. There's a hidden Mickey right there in the roses.
Tie-dye this summer and
You did this? Did you help? Oh my god, look it! It's a small world and I love tie-dye! Dude, this is incredible!
we love you guys.
I wish I could give you the biggest hug!
For keeping us sane. All for you.
Thank you guys!
It's amazing.
Seriously. Oh, there it is!
Oh, so
There it
majestic.
is! Wow!
Wow, I can feel the spray. Wow.
Now we're going in the tunnel.
We gotta go inside.
Look
out!
Whoa!
Here for the big race, huh?
Slow down here for the big race, huh?
Oh, damn.
You're racing yet.
It's very artsy. Yeah. We picked that out last night at the Target.
Oh,
And I think we should sign it and mail it.
yes!
Oh, that's too busy.
Yes!
Yes. Thank
Thank
you for and all of the cast members that have birthday. Thank you for allowing us to be
That's
part of
such
this.
a
Dude,
good
that's so cool.
idea.
All right, yes, let's do it.
Beautiful, beautiful.
On this day, July 17, 1955,
A
a dream was born.
A dream was born.
Sorry.
A dream was born. People came from far and wide.
This little scamp looks like he's having a great time.
Oh boy!
Let us in, man. Let us in on the 65th. What's that guy doing right there? Looks like a chef. Batteries a guy cleaning. Let us in, man. Let us in.
Yes!
Look at Katie's shirt. Check out her shirt.
I'm gonna start crying.
Same shirt. 65th anniversary.
Thank you guys for there and
That means a lot.
no, you're gonna make me cry. I was crying when I saw Mickey. So anyway, we're total geese. No, but you're amongst them. I love it.
Like mine.
The
Like mine.
control. Yeah, you make me cry. I know.
Because
She's crying.
Get by doing that
She's
video.
crying.
I was going.
Oh yeah.
I was losing it. So.
They're getting cleaned up. Let's see if this thing works. Yep, and it does. Got to cut right. Got to cut over here by the trams. Where's the trams?
People are discussing, like, first it was the dad, like, come on, kids, let's go.
Oh yeah.
And we're trying to get them to, but you're also thinking, what are we going to do first?
I know, and you don't know.
Where do we go first?
And
What's your tradition?
You can always tell who's in charge of the group too, because they're beelining and they've got it in their head. Yeah. I know. What do you do? Where, you know, it's like the world is oyster at that point now.
If you're walking
There goes the tram.
path right here, then you're just within
That's a big sign.
It's gonna be soon. They'll open up soon because they're planning. You got the trucks over here.
Darn,
Yeah, right there.
darn. Dude, that's a big deal. Just like in Disneyland. It's happening, guys.
It's happening.
It's so sad that, did you ever think we'd be standing there on Disneyland's birthday cheering on a bunch of little plants?
Go plants!
In the tram section going, come
Yeah,
on.
go plants.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Okay.
Actually, it's the first time I've ever been in this Starbucks. This is the one by World of Disney. Playing the jams. What up, Sean?
Welcome to Disneyland. Happy 65th anniversary.
Hey man, when's the speech? When's the speech?
What was that?
When's the speech?
Oh yeah, 12 and 2 o'clock.
It is happening.
Woo! Supposedly at noon, which is coming up, they're going to do the Walt's speech from the opening day.
You're right.
That's where the 65th merch is. Hello. Here comes Sean. Yeah, the queue line for the World of Disney went way down. Not a lot of people here today on the 65th. They're actually going to do the speech in probably 10 minutes. Somebody heading to the esplanade. There's a beehive activity down there on Main Street. Let us in. I mean, there's something going on in there on the main area over by the train station. Now they have exited. Well, the Walt's speech didn't happen at noon yet, but there's a bunch of people roaming around inside there. I was also told to be done at 2 o'clock, so not sure, but look at all the people roaming around and the carts moving around. Main Street, USA over there. Alright, this is the other entrance to go onto the railroad. There's a beehive activity over there on Main Street. We're predicting the speech is going to happen very soon. Check it out, it's the 65th birthday here at... probably tell them they're taking it down. Bummer.
Your age relives fond memories of the past, and your youth may stand for the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideas, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world. Thank you. I will send you welcome.
Good job, guys.
Yeah!
Virtual high five.
Alright, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It is totally free here at Disneyland on its 65th anniversary. Forgot to mention that guy earlier that was standing at the gate, looked like a chef. He was the head chef of the Jolly Holiday. That's what I was told by one of the VIPs. So weird though, because there's not a lot of people here. I just got confirmed by this lady right over here that they're not going to be doing the waltz speech out here. So I was here at noon and they played it inside. There's a crowd of people on the inside, but they're not actually going to be playing it out here in the esplanade. And then they said possibly at 2 o'clock, which they're probably going to do it again inside there, but not out here in the esplanade. So this lady right over here confirmed that they're not going to be doing it out here. Earlier, the queue line for the World of Disney was all the way back down in through here, through those umbrellas, and beyond the umbrellas. It was about right here. That was earlier in the day. It's 1:25 right now. I was kicking around here till possibly 2, but that lady over there confirmed that they're not going to be doing the speech out here at 2, so I've seen a lot. And it's time to go. Lost and Found opening during park hours. So if you lost something months ago, hopefully it's still there when they open up again. Check out the lockers. One-day lockers. Areas closed. Picnic area is closed.
Did you know that Winnie the Pooh was alive?
Alright, it's time to exit downtown Disney. See ya. Later. See ya. It is nice under here. All this foliage. It's the way you gotta go to get to the Symbolot. On the other side of the bushes over here, that's where you come in, get your temp checked, and then go through the canine section, and then the metal detectors. Actually, you can't really see it, but to the left is the canine. It's a pretty cool little area. Temporarily closed. I want to go that way. Come on, let's go that way. Breeze feels awesome. If you need to get married, man, come on down here to Disneyland Hotel area. They got the gazebo where you can get married here. And there's another one way over there. Can't wait to get in the car and get some air conditioning. But where is everybody? It's Disneyland's 65th anniversary right now. That's the way to get in right here. People got to walk that way to go in. And then this is the exit. Got a few people back there. It's where you turn, you curve, and you go right on down to the symbol lot. Security's to the left of me right here.
Good night now.
Thanks. Got security. There's that sign right there. Tell you need a mask and you got to get the temp checked. There's the symbol lot. So you can go right in through here, Esplanade, and all the way right there on here to the downtown Disney, and you park right, actually right here. I came and I conquered right here at Disneyland and downtown Disney. Happy 65th anniversary to Disneyland. Today is the day. 7/17 of 2020. So check out Katie and Spence's YouTube channel, Best Life and Beyond. And then David is Fresh Baked on YouTube. Check out their channels. Now we're gonna exit downtown Disney.